Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you an awesome floor plan in this Class A. This is the 2024 Jayco Precept 31UL. Let me tell you what is special about it. Here we are in the interior of the 31UL, and I want to point out the room that you get with opposing slides here in the living room, and the fact they got the theater sitting right in front of the televator. You don't watch TV, you have a nice window on the other side, by the way. This room interior gives you lots of storage, and one of the things I like the most about it is the really nice big residential fridge. Another nice thing I like about it is the fact that it has a shower in the hallway with a privacy door here. Another nice thing about this is the control panel that connects to your smartphone. Then you can use your smartphone from outside to turn the AC on and off, to put the auto leveling up or down, or to put the slides in and out. This unit also has a king size bed, and you notice on both sides of the bed you have phone chargers that can be popped out with USB plugs. Lots of storage. That's the best thing about this unit, that it has all the storage, and even TV folds up for more storage. It's a dual AC unit, 50 amp. One of my favorite features about it is that if you want to wake up at night, you have soft blue lights, or if you want to read the book, you have bright lights. This beautiful unit has an MSRP of $219,000, but for our 60th anniversary here at Worldwide RV, we have an amazing price of only $134,741. Come see in person, take it for a test drive.